विसो उपरांत तुमकां परत एकदा येवकार। गोंय पुलिशेन राज्य पावंड्यार मानव तस्करी आड परिशद आयोजीत केल्ली। ह्या विशयाची गंभीरताय मतीन दवरून गोंय पुलिशेन खासा ह्या परिशदेचें आयोजन केल्लें आसा। ह्या परिशदेक गोवा IGP जसपाल सिंग, DIGP गोवा राजेश कुमार, SP क्रायम पंकज कुमार सिंग आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले। RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स।
I welcome all of you to this state-level conference on anti-human trafficking, where we discuss the very important and sensitive issue of human trafficking, with a special emphasis on Goa. This conference has been sponsored by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. This is the second conference that we are organizing today. This shows the commitment and resolve of Government of India as well as Government of Goa to fight this crime of human trafficking.
Let me at the outset say that this is the second time that we are organizing this seminar. During the first seminar, number of discussions took place, and SP Crime before me, he spoke that Goa Police Department has taken a number of actions against the traffickers. Large number of traffickers and hapless women have been rescued. So the purpose of this seminar is not only to sensitize the various stakeholders like the police department, prosecutors, members of the judiciary, NGOs, civil society, but also to set an action plan. Because in the seminars we have distinguished resource persons. Even in the last seminar also we had very eminent speakers who had years of experience in dealing with the anti-human trafficking problem. And let me say that it is not only the statutory mandate for all of us, but it is a constitutional mandate. As my colleague said, that Article 23 of the Constitution mandates the Indian state that there should not be any trafficking in human beings.